Hello everyone! Welcome to LICIOUS Food Club. Today's recipe is green brinjal chutney. Without using grinder, this chutney is very unique and delicious. Can eat with idli, dosa, rice, chapati and many more. So, why late? Let's get started. To make green brinjal chutney, we need nice green round brinjals. Wash them and cut into medium-sized pieces. Take a wide pan, add enough oil. It helps to store the chutney longer. Make sure you refrigerate it so that it can stay for 4 to 5 days. Add 2 onions. Cook it till they get transparent. Now add green brinjal pieces. Saute it 3 to 4 minutes. Add green chillis. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 10 to 12 garlic, now add tomatoes, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, 2 small pieces of tamarind. Mix it well. Cover with a lid and let it cook about 5 minutes. Before adding chopped coriander, make sure brinjal and tomatoes cook completely. Now take a masher and mash everything nicely. It mashes very quickly, no need to stress a lot. That's it, we are done. Isn't it very simple? It really tastes amazing. Try the recipe, feel yum. After trying the recipes, please share us the photos on Instagram, Facebook or Gmail and we gonna post them on our page. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to LICIOUS Food Club.